upload a picture of yourself. And now, write the following prompt. Use this image to generate a picture of an action figure of a fisherman, because I like fishing, in a blister package, from head to toes, because the picture I uploaded just shows my face and shoulders. Looking up front, this is to avoid ChatGPT generating the figure in an angle because it does that sometimes. With the following accessories: a fishing reel, a fisherman's hat, and lures. The package should read 1 minute how-tos starter pack. And that's pretty much it. Remember, ChatGPT benefits from highly specific prompts, so you can try to improve even further this one, and if you find something that works really well, share it in the comment section so we can all benefit from it. Okay, here we go. First of all, I want to clarify I'm not that fat. I see it got the receding hairline just right though. Yay! Overall, it did an awesome job. The package's color scheme is not the most appealing, but the figure and accessories look great, and you can keep improving the image from here. You can use other prompts to edit whatever you like. We can make the blister package be displayed in a rack of a store, so the background becomes part of the picture. Or you can try to convince yourself you are not that fat by telling ChatGPT to make your action figure a little bit slimmer. You can see both generations turn out pretty well. I hope you found it useful. See you soon.